Hello out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy and you are watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. Welcome to my channel. If you have been here a while, then you know that I do book reviews, unboxings and try-ons, as well as music and TV show recommendations. So if you're new here, I hope you will stick around, consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and seeing what Sincerely Cindy Settle is all about. And today we have a Stitch Fix unboxing. Woo-woo! I love these unboxings, they're so much fun. So if you're unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, it is a styling service. You pay $20, you fill out a style profile, telling them what you like, what you dislike, what colors you prefer, what sizes you are, and they curate a box based on your likes and dislikes. There's a $20 styling fee. That $20 styling fee goes towards anything that you wish to purchase in the box. Anything that you don't want, you send back, and you're charged the $20 styling fee, and you kind of lose that $20 styling fee because they've styled you and that was the service you paid for. But if you do keep something, then that $20 goes towards that purchase. So we're gonna dig right in. We have a return bag to send all of your goodies back that you don't want to keep. We have a explore your very own shop, instantly buy items from your curated shop. So on the app, they do have a shop your style option on the app, and you can go through there and they have items that are curated for you as well, and you can shop directly from the app on items that were curated for you. So that's kind of fun. I haven't done that yet. I do look pretty often, but I haven't purchased anything yet. Then you have a little envelope with an oh hello card in here, and this is going to be style cards that have your items on it as well as ways to style it, and you also have a note from your stylist, and it looks like this is a new stylist. I don't think I requested a new stylist, but I think that I said I'm good either way. I can't remember my stylist's name the last time. So anyway, your style delivered. Hey there, Cindy. Welcome to your third fix. My name is Kaileigh, and I'm excited to style you for the first time. Yes, she's new for me. Thank you for sharing that you would like to try a nice pair of jeans, a neutral moto jacket, and the Mia Miles faux leather booties in this fix. Unfortunately, I could not include all of these items, but I will continue to keep my eyes open for future fixes. What are your thoughts on the Ebele faux leather jacket from the Mocha? So I guess we have a faux leather jacket. Woo woo. Since you like jeans with a skinny silhouette and a mid-rise, I thought you might like the K Skinny collared jeans from Liverpool. Pair with the Warren split neck blouse or the Frany cotton button-down knit back non-iron top. I hope you love this fix, Cindy. Take care. So that's a sweet little note giving you ideas on how to style things. I did ask for a few things this time. Usually I just ask for some, basics, do what you want to do. But I did ask for, like she said, a good pair of jeans, a moto jacket, as well as a pair of boots that were in the Shop My Style. And I wanted to try to get those in a fix so I could try them on. And of course, if I got them in the Shop My Style, I could always try them on and send them back and not be charged or get a refund or however that works. All right, so then we have the, this is the items and how much they cost. I like to do that at the end so that I'm not swayed to like or dislike based on the price. I am swayed to like or dislike based on whether it fits me good and whether I like it. So here is our fancy little bundle. Some pretty fall colors there. All right, so I'm excited to see what we have. Okay, so first off, we have just a basic white button down. Just a kind of like a men's looking type of button down shirt. It's very soft. I like this split neck. There's really no collar here. It has a pocket. So very cute, very basic, very classic. I like that. And then we have something black and white. It looks like it is a jumpsuit. I bought a black jumpsuit from them I think my first fix. So I do am kind of into the jumpsuits. Oh, and this is pretty. It looks like it's a wrap style. It has this faux tie there, black and white stripe, very chic. Oh, I like it. All right, and then we have, oh, this is pretty. This looks, I guess that's is that a cheetah print? I'm not big on the animal prints. This is very cute. It has the sleeve here that is, has a button here, so it holds the sleeve up a little bit. It looks like it's a little bit of a high-low, split top, split neck there again. We'll see. And this looks like it is the jacket. Ooh, it's very bikerish. Look how cute that is. Look at that. I like it. It's been a while since I've had and I realize this is a faux leather, but leather jackets used to be the big thing back in the day. And I have a black one, but it's been like, I mean, it's like 20 years old and it's faded and all that stuff. So it'd be nice to have another little jacket like that. And here are the collared jeans. A good skinny brown collar. I like collared jeans, don't have a problem with that at all. So I'm excited to see how many of these items I will keep. So stick around, we're gonna try these on. All right, so here we have outfit number one. This is the jacket. It's the faux leather jacket. And it has the faux leather here, and then here it's got this panel of kind of elastic type of material. It's got these buttons here on the side, or sorry, buttons, zippers here on the side, zipper pockets here as well that function. And then of course you have the zipper in the front. I like this. It's very comfortable, it's very soft. This might definitely be a contender to replace the black one that I have. All right, so here I did ask for, in just a general style note, I asked for some basics. I don't have like a white button-down shirt, a black button-down shirt. I don't have basic t-shirts or anything like that. I just don't, and I haven't shopped for those kind of things. So I did ask for some of those types of things. So this is just a basic white button-down shirt. So like I said, it does have this split neck top as opposed to a collar, which I kind of like. It is two different materials. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of like business in the front, party in the back. This feels like more of a cotton type, and this feels more of like a, I don't know the materials, but this feels more like a dress shirt would feel. So again, I feel like the fit is good. This is with it completely tucked in. You could wear a cute belt with this and it would be cute. And then this is the tuck, or the untucked. Might be a little bit big here. I mean, I think it looks okay when it's tucked in, but when it's out, I feel like it looks a little big. So I don't know, let me know what you think. Should I keep it? Should I send it back? Should I get a smaller size? Should I keep looking? All right, so moving on to the jeans. So I do like a skinny jean, and I do feel like these fit me well. However, I've already had to hike them up a couple of times, and I don't know what that is about skinny jeans, but I feel like I always have to pull them up. I feel like it always sags right here, and I feel like the butt always sags. I do like the collared jeans though. I think they're neutral enough in terms of the collaring to wear with a lot of different items. And they fit well. I have them cuffed. I don't know if you can see my feet, but I have them cuffed with a pair of booties. So I'm gonna keep these on with the other shirt. Let me know what you think about the jeans. I look forward to hearing from you, so put them in the comments. I'll be right back. All right, so here is shirt number 2. I have to say that I do like the shirt, the style of the shirt. I'm just not crazy about the print. I don't mind this. It gets them out of the way. You can show off pretty bracelets, but I like the split neck. It's very soft, it's very comfortable. I think it looks better with the front tuck than it does out. I feel like it looks a little bit too big, and even still it might be a little bit too big even with the front tuck. But I feel like this is a little bit too busy for me. I'm more of a animal print in small doses, like a scarf or a pair of shoes or maybe a purse, as opposed to the full piece actually being a animal print. So let me know what you think about this. Maybe I should request it in a different color or a different pattern. So let me know what you think. If you like the fit of this, if you think that this is a keeper, let me know. Of course, the price always tells you something too. So we will see what that looks like. I've got the jumpsuit left. I will be right back. All right, so this is our last item. This is the jumpsuit. It is a black and white stripe, crisscross wrap front, spaghetti strap. These are adjustable. And this cute little tie here, it does have pockets. And I love the way this defines my waist. I think this wrap is flattering. I love the pockets. I love the pattern. But let me tell you what I'm not crazy about. I feel like it fits me well. But let's get down here to the hemline. Might not be able to see it, hold on. So I paired this with a pair of white booties, which I've been trying to figure out how to wear because I really like them. And I'm not a fan of the cropped pants. It's not a trend that I've ever liked, a capri type of length. I mean, I realized I could wear them with high boots, black boots as well, and it would look really cute. But I don't know, that might be a deal breaker. Let me know what you think. All right, so I am back for the wrap up. Let's go through some prices. I know that you've already seen the prices. I have not. That might sway my decision on what I might keep and what I might not keep. So really quickly, so the white button down Calvin Klein top is $68. The brown, the jumpsuit that I'm still wearing is $58, very reasonably priced. The leather jacket, it says it's dark purple. Does that look dark purple to you? It looks brown to me. Anyway, dark purple, it is $78. That is a contender. If I buy that and I spend that much money on it, it's definitely something that I think that I would get a lot of use out of for years and years to come. Then we have the Lush split neck blouse in beige, and this is $44. Again, very reasonably priced. And then we have the Liverpool jeans, which I'm also considering. I think I'm gonna try them on and wear them around a little bit. They are an olive collar and they are $78. So that might be a little bit high for collared jeans. I'm not sure, we'll see. But the jacket is definitely a contender. The jeans are probably my second favorite. I really did like the jumpsuit. I just don't like the length. So I'm not sure that I'm gonna go for it either. So my total box is $326. And if I were to buy everything, I would have a 25% off discount. And that would take $81.50 off, leaving my total at $244.50. So I do have some credit. So thank you very much for using my referral links from past videos, because that does give me some credits to keep doing this and to buy some free clothes. So thank you very much. Again, my new referral credit will be down in the description box, and I will let you know how much that is in the description. So thank you for watching. I appreciate your comments down below, what you think I should keep, what you think might look flattering on me that maybe I just don't see. I would love to get your input, and I hope that you will subscribe, click the notification bell, like and share this video if you know of friends who like unboxing videos as well. So this is Sincerely Cindy Settle, and I'm signing out. Mwah.